Is Valentine's Day truly a celebration of love? Or is it just a Western trap designed to promote immorality in society? Let's uncover the truth. This day is linked to a Christian priest, Saint Valentine, whose history itself is controversial. It has no connection with Islam, but is instead rooted in pagan and non-Islamic traditions. The Prophet Muhammad said, "Whoever imitates a people is one of them." Abu Dawud 40:31. Today, Valentine's Day has become a gateway to sin, illicit relationships, and moral corruption. It misguides the youth under the false pretense of love, leading them away from true Islamic values. In Islam, real love is not about temporary desires but about commitment, purity, and respect. Allah warns us, "And do not approach fornication. Indeed, it is an immorality and an evil way." Surah Al-Isra 17:32. The capitalist world exploits emotions to sell lust disguised as love, expensive gifts, romantic outings, and social pressure. These are just marketing tactics that deceive people into thinking that love is measured by material things. But what is the result? Broken hearts, betrayal, sin, and regret. Real love is not found in a one-day celebration but in a lifetime of faith, loyalty, and righteousness. So, O Muslim, why celebrate something that contradicts your faith? True love is in pleasing Allah, following the Sunnah, and upholding the dignity of relationships as defined by Islam. Do not fall into this deception. Choose purity over perversion,